Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. Today I want to make a video about this mid skin fade. This right here is a simple, straight to the point haircut tutorial that I want everybody to pay attention to. It is a basic haircut, just like most of my other haircuts, straight to the point. Right now what I'm doing is I'm balding the bottom with my T outliners, my Andis T outliners. And what I'm gonna be doing is just cutting one side. Yo, shout out to Barber Illuminati, y'all. Barber Illuminati, what's up, man? I see you out there doing your thing. What's going on, Barber Illuminati? Anyways, y'all subscribe to Barber Illuminati. That's I'm part of the movement. That's my brother. Y'all check him out. He doing his thing, and his channel is popping. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, I'm still balling the bottom out. So the very next thing that I'm gonna be doing once I put my T outliners down is I'm gonna grab my Wahl Senior, the cordless seniors, and I'm gonna open the lever all the way. And I'm gonna go up about a 1/4 inch. So yeah, I'm gonna go up about a 1/4 inch, and I'm gonna just fade up from there. Okay. Those of you that have been watching my videos already, thanks for the love, thanks for the support. I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. I got some more videos coming y'all way. I've been recording. I just ain't got a chance to do a lot of the editing yet, so I got stuff coming y'all way very soon, okay? Alright, so, and yeah, I'd like to thank y'all for all the love that y'all been giving me too, man. I appreciate all the love on Instagram, all the love on Facebook, all the comments and all the emails and messages I've been getting from you guys, man. I appreciate all of that stuff. Okay, so I still got the lever open all the way. I'm just going over my work again. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I am going to close the lever, and just like I just did, close the lever. Now I'm gonna go right below where I faded at, and I'm gonna go ahead and erase that bottom line, or try to erase the bottom line. Okay. I'm gonna just fade up just a little bit below what I already done when the lever was already open, and that should erase the bottom line with this haircut. Shout out to my boy Jalen, man. Jalen, what's up, man? I see you, bro. Shout out to Copelic, my boy Johnny. Shout out to everybody that's been supporting this movement, Barber Illuminati. I will never stop shouting you out. Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to Custom Made Cuts, that's me. Okay, so we got the lever all the way closed. Okay, so the next step is to do what? I'm gonna get my half guard, which is my 0 guard. I'm gonna open it all the way and fade up a 1/4 inch again. I got the lever all the way down, and I'm fading up a 1/4 inch again. So it's just like we did last time. The only difference is I got the half guard on, okay? Okay, so with the half guard, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna open the lever all the way up, fade up about a 1/4 inch, like I just said. And then when I'm done doing that, I'm gonna come back down and close the lever all the way down and fade up right below the highest point on that first line that we drew, if that makes sense. So I go up a 1/4 inch, come back down, and go up about half of that 1/4. So that'll give us a transition, and it'll start to fade right. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I just closed the lever, and I'm fading right below that top line. And that's probably the best way to describe it. Fade right below the top line. And just go up just a little bit. And if you're looking at the screen, you'll notice that you're starting to see a little bit of blend or a little bit of fade, which is what we're looking for. So if you've been paying attention to the videos, you should know what the next step is. If you know what the next guard is, you'll know what the next step is. So the next guard would be a 1 guard, because this is the half guard. So we went from just a regular trimmer to the half guard to the 1 guard, and then we'll go to the 1.5 guard. So we have the 1 guard on now, the lever opened all the way, and we fading up right above that another 1/4 inch. So like I said, it's pretty simple, straight to the point. You go up a 1/4 inch, you come back down halfway of that 1/4 inch, and you close the lever. And we did that with no guard, the half guard, the 1 guard, and we're gonna do it again with the 1.5 guard. Now, if you're paying attention, you'll notice that I closed the 1 guard. We're going up halfway what we just did when we went up a 1/4 inch. Okay, now I got my 1.5 guard on. I got the lever opened all the way, and I'm just flicking all the way up into the top, and just trying to pull some of that loose hair out. And I'm flicking up. You got a lot of bulk coming out. And then I'll come back and close the guard, just like I said, close the lever all the way, and I'll fade up right below that. Okay. All right, so now I got the lever closed, and I'm fading up halfway, and this is the final step in the fade process. And the tape up is pretty much self-explanatory. The edge up, the outline is pretty much self-explanatory. So y'all sit back, relax, watch the rest of this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and share. And check me out on Instagram. It's custom_made_cuts. And those of you that have been following me on Instagram and Facebook, I appreciate the support. Thanks for the love, and I'll see y'all soon. Good night. Okay, now I'm gonna wrap this up. Okay, so this is the final product. This is the final product of what the haircut looks like. Thanks for watching my video. Y'all go ahead and share, like, and subscribe. See y'all next time. Peace.